A knuckle-dragger is a colloquial term often used in a derogatory manner to describe someone perceived as uneducated, uncultured, or brutish. The term draws its imagery from the notion that such a person might walk with their knuckles nearly scraping the ground, akin to an ape or primitive creature. While it's important to approach the use of such terms with caution due to its potential for offense, understanding the concept behind it sheds light on the stereotypes it represents. A knuckle-dragger is typically associated with traits such as ignorance, intolerance, and a lack of sophistication. This stereotype is often rooted in prejudice and may unfairly target individuals based on their appearance, socioeconomic status, or education level. It is important to remember that people are complex, and making broad judgments based on superficial characteristics is both unfair and unproductive. The term knuckle-dragger has also been used in political discourse to criticize individuals or groups with conservative or traditionalist views. In this context, it is employed to belittle those who may resist societal change or advocate for conservative policies. This usage of the term can be divisive and counterproductive in fostering constructive political dialogue. It is crucial to recognize that individuals labeled as knuckle-draggers may have diverse backgrounds, experiences, and reasons for their beliefs. Painting them with a broad brush does a disservice to the complexity of human perspectives and can hinder efforts to bridge divides and foster understanding. Furthermore, labeling someone as a knuckle-dragger can perpetuate stereotypes and prejudice, making it difficult to engage in meaningful conversations and find common ground. To promote a more inclusive and respectful discourse, it is important to approach disagreements with empathy and a willingness to listen to differing viewpoints. In conclusion, the term knuckle-dragger is a pejorative label often used to demean individuals perceived as unsophisticated or holding conservative views. While the term may be employed in various contexts, it is essential to approach such labels with caution and recognize the importance of respectful and empathetic communication. Stereotyping and name-calling only serve to further divide individuals and hinder constructive dialogue and understanding in society.